question, Kapil, is that you asked what is the difference between enterprise architecture and what is enterprise data architecture. So there is a lot of meaning, just as the word agile is used, the way enterprise architecture is used has got a lot of connotations in the industry today. So you have various companies calling various sorts of things as enterprise architecture, but essentially it's about connecting business and technology together to solve customer pain points. And as it stands today, it has got four different domains, that is business, data, application, and technology, and then security. Is a cross-cutting concern across these four domains, that is business, data, application, and technology. So that is what is enterprise architecture for you. And how do that originate? It will typically originate from software architecture, technology architecture, then you move on to solution architecture. Then one level above comes your enterprise architecture, which means you're very close to the business to solve customer pain points using a blend of business and technology to solve customer pain points. And that includes, of course, business, data, application, and technology as the domains when you say enterprise architecture as a body of knowledge. But when you say enterprise data architecture, the word enterprise can lead you into thinking, okay, this is enterprise architecture for data architecture or some such thing. But what essentially it means is you're trying to look at your data architecture from an enterprise wide point of view, from your company point of view. Look, let us say you're working for ANZ, or you're working for Bank of America or something like that. So if you're working for Bank of America and Bank of America has a data architecture, so you're going to be looking at the entire spectrum of the data architecture, right from the strategy down to the execution. So that is enterprise wide data architecture is different from enterprise architecture. So enterprise architecture encapsulates four domains: business, data, application, and technology, and also includes security, which is running through all these four domains. But enterprise data architecture is just a one part of the enterprise architecture. But at the same time, it is spanning the entire enterprise's data architecture. That is why it is called as enterprise data architecture. Does that clarify, Kapil?
Yeah, it does.